Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. In Urdu, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending design of handmade crochet stuffed animals. It's very beautiful and very cool design, and this video is especially for kids, and I hope your kids are love these articles and love these beautiful attractive animal stuff. It's a toy and home decor article. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning and unique and attractive. I hope you all love these beautiful articles. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet stuffed animals. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and outstanding collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes and design. So in this video you will see different colors, different distinct and unique designs. So you will pick your favorite one and make this beautiful design for your kids. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collections for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to crochet articles. So we were in crocheting, and if you are crocheter and other, if you are beginner, so main question is this: what is the crochet? So I am sharing with you the answer of this question. What is the crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax, and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 foot tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide and millions people are love this hobby. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there always something new to learn and create. Happy crocheting! Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters and dresses, accessories, bags, wallets, phone cases and other home decor, blankets, wall hanging, table runners, pillow covers, coasters and others, granny square, fans, throne, kids' toys, stuffed animal and dolls. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, color and patterns, cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, so we are providing you all the basic rules and instructions. It's a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing, accessories and home decoration and toys. So viewer, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Viewer, or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspirations for your next project. Viewer, if you are looking for specific patterns or tutorials, I would be happy to help you find some resources and you can see friends, a unique topic crochet stuffed animal with an themes can be beautiful and cozy addition to any room. Here are some ideas and inspirations. Use icy blues and white to create a animal stuff that resembles a glacier and snow covered. So Viva, what would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience with us. A beautiful and lasting alternative to plastic animals and plastic toys. Crochet animal stuff are a stunning and creative way to capture the beauty of toys without any help of wilding and maintenance. These are washable in machine and use different yarn structure and colors to create a unique look. Select the colors with attractive and dark colors because all the kids like dark colors and attractive colors. So viewer, I hope you all are understand with the instructions and the benefits and the definitions of crochet. So we were one more time, thank you so much for supporting me. I am very happy to see this because all of my YouTube community are very supportive, very kind. Please support me like this forever. I am very happy and very thankful to you. So if you want more article of crochet, so watch my all the previous videos. These are very helpful for you, especially for beginners, because patterns are also available on my channel. So if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. So when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently videos. Be connected with me.